One lives in volcanoes, another shoots blood from its eyes, and the last one has a transparent head. Let's get into the weirdest animals you've never seen. The Pompeii worm lives on hydrothermal vents over 170 degrees Fahrenheit. It's so heat-resistant, scientists still don't understand how it survives. Next up, the horned lizard. When threatened, it shoots blood from its eyes, a stream of pressurized blood that freaks out predators. And this is the Barreleye fish, a deep-sea alien with a clear head. You can actually see its brain and eyes inside its skull. Real animals that seem fake. Which one shocked you the most? Let me know, and subscribe for more unbelievable wildlife.